Esse foi o turma, né?
That first dance was the welcome dance. In our language for welcome we say Kaju. You fellas call it a talofa, eh? We also like to acknowledge the 2000, or some of the people from the Sun Princess Australians from Australia anyway. Next dance we're going to be doing is a Najara. This is a spirit get-together dance. I'm going to do this one.
Just to start off, these leaves, we don't use them. When we're back home in Australia, we use our native ones, the gum leaves. So we'd like to pay respect to you fellas for letting us use these bit of bushes and the elders. Thank you. Nanjara. Thank you. The next one.